Today, I'm going to review a super cheap 10-inch tablet that is priced just below 500 ringgit, and it's actually performed pretty good. Hello everyone, welcome back to Cheapo Review. My name is George, and what I have in my hand here is the Honor Pad X8 Lite. Yes, this is a new tablet launched by Honor that costs only 449 ringgit. You can even find it as low as 420 ringgit on platforms like Shopee and Lazada. We are going to check it out today.
Now we're gonna go ahead and do the unboxing. So we have a SIM slot ejector, a USB cable, Type-C USB cable, a charger. Now let's check out the tab itself. Now let's turn it on. And we see the Honor badge. Something I noticed is this device takes quite a while to boot up. So the back feels like it's made from metal finishing. I'm not sure, is it very like aluminium or is it a plastic with metal finish. Then we have the volume button and the power button at this side. There is no fingerprint sensor for this tab. So this is the speaker and the power port and also the memory card slot. So this pad doesn't has a SIM card slot, it only has memory card, so it only supports Wi-Fi. Okay, finally it finished the first boot up. So let's check out. So the Honor Pad X8 Lite has a 9.7-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 800 x 1280 pixel and a 16 by 10 aspect ratio. So this is only 800p. So this is where Honor compromised in order to keep the price of the device low. It also has a thicker bezel compared to the more expensive tablets such as the Redmi Pad that I have on my hand. The visual I would say acceptable, the colors are vibrant and the viewing angle are quite decent. But the image quality is definitely not very sharp and you will see some sort of pixelation, but it's really not bad at all. So whether you're browsing the web, watching videos or playing games, the display delivers a satisfactory experience. So the screen brightness is 300 nits, so it's usable in a bright area, especially outdoor. But it doesn't has an automatic brightness function, so you have to adjust the brightness yourself. Under the hood, we have the MediaTek MT87X6 processor, which is also called MediaTek Helio G80. So this is an entry-level processor which can handle day-to-day tasks with ease and also some casual gaming. So I have tested out the PUBG and it can play in HD setting with around 20 to 30 frames per second. So it's acceptable, you can play games with this, just don't expect very high frame rate. I also tested out Mobile Legends, and for this one it runs even better at around 40 to 50 frames per second, so it's very smooth. You can definitely play Mobile Legends with this. So basically, you'll be able to multitask, browse apps, and enjoy casual gaming without any noticeable lag. This tab is running on Android 12 with Honor Magic UI 6.1, so it offers a smooth and user-friendly interface. It also supports split screen for multitasking. While it may not be the latest Android version, it still provides a reliable and familiar experience. And most importantly, this pad comes with Google Play Store. So you don't need to worry it will be facing the same treatment like Huawei that doesn't have access to the App Store. Powering the Honor Pad X8 Lite is a non-removable 5100 mAh lithium battery. So the battery life is pretty good. It easily lasts through a day of moderate usage. So whether you are binge watching your favorite series or surfing the web, you won't have to worry too much about running out of juice. The tablets come with 32 GB of internal storage and 3 GB of RAM, which is pretty small, but luckily there's a micro SD card slot for expansion if you need more storage for the photo and video. In terms of cameras, the Honor Pad X8 Lite feature a 5 megapixel main camera and a 2 megapixel front camera. While the quality won't blow you away, they are decent enough for video calls and capturing quick shots. But let's be honest, tablets aren't usually the go-to device for photography. In terms of audio, this pad comes with, surprisingly, a stereo speaker, so the quality of the audio is pretty loud and vibrant. But it does not have a headphone jack, so you either need to use a Bluetooth earphone or use a Type-C adapter. This tablet weighs just 460 grams and has a thickness of 7.6 mm, making it quite portable and easy to handle. So whether you are using it at home, on the go, or during your travels, the Honor Pad X8 Lite is light enough to be carried around without any hassle. So is the Honor Pad X8 Lite worth it? Well, if you're on a budget and looking for a reliable device that can get the job done without breaking the bank, or you just want to buy a tablet for your parents or kids for general usage like casual gaming and watching YouTube, this tablet is a pretty good choice. The display is decent enough, the performance is reliable, the battery life won't disappoint, and most importantly the price of 449 ringgit, which you can't find it anywhere else. But if you need a better screen and better performance, I suggest you look for better tabs such as the Redmi Pad with 2K display and better processor. That will be all for today. If you like this video, kindly hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.